Welcome to Morphy WhatsApp CRM. Morphy WhatsApp CRM is the integration of a customer relationship management system with the instant connectivity of WhatsApp, creating a dynamic platform for managing customer interactions in real time. By connecting WhatsApp to a CRM system, we allow businesses to centralize all customer interactions, automate workflows, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. Here, I am presenting a series of tutorial videos explaining each feature of Morphy WhatsApp CRM in detail. First, let me show you how the general features of Morphy WhatsApp CRM is aligned in the main window of the software. On the top of Morphy WhatsApp CRM main window, you can see the filters available by default and custom filters created by you. WhatsApp CRM presents various ways to filter and organize your chats, including default tabs for all, unread, favorites, groups, business, official, awaiting reply, one-to-one. You can also create custom tabs to create lists that further categorize your chats tailored to your needs. The left side navigation panel presents all the functions and features provided by Morphy WhatsApp CRM. Now let me explain flash broadcast feature of Morphy WhatsApp CRM. Message broadcasting means sending the same message to multiple recipients simultaneously. This is a one-to-many communication method, often used for notifications, announcements, or marketing campaigns. It's a way for you to efficiently reach a large audience with the same information. Flash broadcast feature of Morphy WhatsApp CRM allows you to create broadcasts that will send a single message or a sequence of messages to multiple contacts at the same time, but with a one-to-one feel, meaning recipients don't see each other's contact information or the broadcast list. Utilizing this capability, you can send a WhatsApp message to bulk number of WhatsApp numbers in your WhatsApp or WhatsApp numbers saved in a text or Excel file. So for creating a broadcast, you need to set three things. First, add the contacts to which the broadcast should be sent. Second, do you need to add these contacts to any of your WhatsApp group or custom tab or Kanban board automatically? Third and final step is to create the WhatsApp messages to be sent. Let me show you each section in detail. Click on the Flash Broadcast option on left side panel. You will get the broadcast window with Select Contacts section, Action section, Message section. First, in Select Contacts, you need to specify the contacts to which the message to be sent. One-to-one option allows to import bulk number of WhatsApp contacts saved in a CSV, text, or Excel file. Here I am going to add contacts from this text file with first value as name and second value as phone number. For this, click on Upload button. In the Upload Contacts window, click Upload icon. Now browse and choose your file that contains WhatsApp contacts and click Open in Browse dialog box. In the next step, select the column containing phone number. Then click Next. Here, you can further filter out the contacts by removing them. Once the list is ready, click Upload. All the new contacts will be added to the contacts used for broadcasting. Now you can add further contacts from your WhatsApp groups using Groups option. Check the Groups option, then click Groups button and select the groups, or from your custom tabs using Tabs option, click Tabs button and choose Required tab, or check Kanban board option and click Kanban board button. Then choose contacts from your Kanban board's To-Do, Processing, and Done list. Now contacts are added, so let's move on to specify the actions you want to do during broadcast on each contact. Allow repeat phone numbers, enable link preview for the contact. Next, you can automatically add contact into your selected WhatsApp group or remove the contact from selected WhatsApp groups. For these two actions, as you are aware, you must be admin of the selected groups. So check the corresponding option to deploy and click the drop-down to select the groups. Similarly, next option in this is Custom Tab Actions, which allows the broadcast contacts automatically be added to or removed from selected predefined custom tabs. Just check the option you need to deploy and click the drop-down to select the custom tab you need. In the same way, next option in this is Kanban Board Actions, which allows to automatically add these contacts to or remove from To-Do or Processing or Done status of your predefined Kanban board. Now let's move to other broadcast settings along with composing the message to be sent during broadcast. you can add multiple messages to the broadcast using Add Message option. Then you can set to send randomly selected message to be sent during the broadcast by checking the Send a single random message to each contact option. Using the pause setting option, you can insert a specified pause time after sending to specified number of contacts. Next, you need to compose your WhatsApp message for the broadcast. You can first select the template type of your message from this drop-down. For example, if you need message and a voice clip to be sent, then choose Message plus Audio option. Then you can click Add Audio option below and browse and add the audio file. You can add multiple audio files like this. Now in the message composing editor, you have normal editing options like bold italics, strike through, insert emoji, etc. In addition to that, you can insert variables like first name, WhatsApp name, etc. of the contact in places you want them to appear so that each message gets automatically personalized for each contact. When I insert first name variable like this, the first name of the receiving contact will appear for them after hi. For example, if John is the first name of a contact, the salutation in that contact's message will be Hi John. Here, you can also specify the minimum and maximum delays you allow for each message sending. Once everything is ready, you can directly go to Sending option by clicking Quick Start, or you can preview the broadcast using the Preview Start option. When you click the Preview Start button, you will be taken to Send Broadcast window where you can modify the contacts. Click Next, then click Start Sending. Accept the warning to start sending the broadcast. You can stop the sending by clicking on Stop Sending button below. In the Send window, you can see the detailed status of the broadcast, like total contacts sent, valid contacts, failed contacts, invalid contacts. The Send status table shows each contact, message sent to each contact, attachment sent, etc. Now the sending process is complete and I got the message processing finished message at the top. Click the Delivery Report button to go to Delivery and to download the detailed delivery report of your flash broadcast as a text, CSV, or Excel file. Here I am selecting Text option to get report as text file. So now you are ready to manage your own flash broadcasts in Morphy WhatsApp CRM. Thank you!